This is going to be my second video on this type of keyboard. The first one was, I believe it was a red and black one. I have that on another computer. So I needed another keyboard for another computer I have. And I really like this keyboard. It brings back a lot of mainframe days with the clicking and the circular keys. Some circular, those are the real old ones. There were certain mainframe keyboards that I used to use that had the square keys, but you always hear that click, and there's something about that click that I really like. It just brings me back to the days, my mainframe days, and it's you know, I like to see it in keyboards. I don't like that soft butterfly touchy type of keyboard. I use them when I have to, but I like these even more. And it's not very expensive, pretty well priced. I think I paid about $20 for it, but the information will definitely be below, and you'll get more information. I'll have this at the end with pictures, and let's open it. So let's take a look. Let me open it up now. It comes with its own USB, and I believe you have to be careful not to lose that. I have the battery in there already, and it just comes like this. And I think the key, I mean the USB dongle or device, I put it already on the inside where the batteries go, so there's nothing else. There it is. It's a black on black. The other one I have is a red on black. I think it looks like AAA batteries. I shouldn't have done that. Looks not good. So this is the actual, if you have this connected to the back of your computer and you forget what it's for, this is what it's for. I don't know how to pronounce that. Perixx or something like that. Sort of like the Logitech ones. And then this is the back. Let's take a good look at it. I'll have this a picture of it at the end. And it's a nice small size. It's kind of thick. And this is what I mean, the clickety clackety. I like it. It's not, you know. There's something about this that I like that goes far down. Feels pretty cool. So let's take a close-up look at, well, let me open up with the batteries inside. This is where the batteries go. It's going to be 2 AAA batteries. Facing this way, my other one is over here also. Put the cover back on. And it's pretty much plug and play. I'll have this at the end. This is the information on the device. And that's pretty much everything that comes inside the box. Let me take some measurement. Let's take a measurement. We'll do it from the back. From left to right. And from here to here. And it's thick. But it's small. It's a small footprint. And again, I'm switching this out for, I have a Logitech keyboard, wireless one. Let's take a close look at it. And I think it looks nice. I really like it. I like that it has a delete key, not a back key. It's nice just to press the delete key to delete something. And this is, as you can see, where the keys sit. There's a distance to travel. This is not as clicky as the red one, but it may be just because it's brand new. So maybe after a while, because the red one I've been using for a long time, at least over a year, so maybe that's why that's already got the clicky sound. But I still like it. I still like the travel. Before I travel, though, it makes you feel like I'm only pressing that key. It's not next to each other. So I'm replacing this keyboard. This is the keyboard I'm swapping out for this one. There's nothing wrong with this keyboard, but it's also, as you can see, bigger because it has the mouse pad and the left and right button, and I don't really need it. So it's a little bit smaller. And I guess the black one also sits up a little higher so I can access it better with my fingers. There's nothing wrong with this. I'm just swapping it out for this one. I think it looks much nicer to use this one than that one. Plus the keys, they're different than when you're using these. I'm gonna finish the video off here, just letting you know that this keyboard works very well. I already tested it. Everything's working, no issues whatsoever. For the price, you get a really nice looking keyboard. And it, you know, it works. It's wireless and it works. I really, really like it. I really, really do. So it's gonna be nice to use and work with. And I really like it. It's comfortable. And I like it because it's small. I don't need the whole, I believe it's 108 keys with the number pad. My biggest thing that I use a lot would either be combinations or actually the delete key. I use the delete key a lot. I like to highlight things and just press the delete and have it done instead of right clicking or doing another shortcut. Just having the delete key there works. I really like it. So I guess I'll be ending the video here. I really like the keyboard. This is my third one that I've owned. Like I said, I only did a video on the red and black one, but this is the third one I owned. The other one I have is, I believe it's white and black, I believe, and it's nice. It's not lit up. There's no lights, so in the dark you cannot see it. The only thing that lights up are the cap keys. Oh, and the function keys. There's something to turn them on, to turn on the F key things. I forget what it is, but pretty much I just use the cap keys. And it works really well. It's a great price. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.
Some info on item: Perixx Periboard 614 wireless mini keyboard, 2.4 GHz wireless round keycap portable keyboard with 13 function keys. US layout. Visit the Perixx store. Cost $11.99. Purchased on Amazon's website. About this item: Periboard 614 is a wireless mini keyboard with typewriter design, wireless 2.4 GHz technology with 10 meters operating range. Keyboard dimension is 320 x 148 x 30 mm. Built-in 13 advanced function keys. Easy access to internet and media. Perfect for your office work and entertainment life. Added caps lock and low voltage indicators and power saving technology. When the keyboard is in power saving mode, press any key to continue to use the keyboard. Vintage typewriter design keyboard with round shape. Keycaps, quiet and responsive keys, gives you comfortable typing experience. System requirements: Windows 7, 8, 10. Package includes 1X Periboard 614, 2 AAA batteries not included, 1X 2.4G Nano USB receiver / from the manufacturer. Vintage yet stylish, a brilliant mix of vintage typewriter and novel technology. Mini typewriter design. Mini layout design, 2.4 GHz plug-and-play wireless connection, perfect for travel and daily life. Looking for a versatile, fun, and stylish keyboard to carry around? You'd totally fall for this brilliant invention. Unique typewriter and round keycaps design mini size design 320x148x30 12 advanced function keys. 2.4 GHz wireless technology low voltage indicator 12 advanced function keys. 12 built-in function keys, media play pause forward backward, volume adjustment, home, search, favorite, email, keyboard lock, my computer. Easy access to different work modes, increasing your work efficiency within one click. Vintage chic style. Classic vintage typewriter design is leading the retro innovation trend. Round shape chic keycaps, timeless matte black finish, adorable mini size are here for you at once. With Periboard 614, you simply become the center of spotlight wherever you go. Ease 128-bit data security. Equips with Ease 128-bit, the most secure encryption standards for wireless connections. Simply enjoy the same data security level as the US government. German design. Founded in 2006 in Germany, Perixx is the solution provider of computer peripherals, bring the finest German crafts to global markets. Perixx Periboard 614 wireless mini keyboard, 2.4 GHz wireless round keycap portable keyboard with 13 function keys US layout. This item Perixx Periboard 614 wireless mini keyboard, 2.4 GHz wireless round keycap portable keyboard with 13 function keys US layout. Product description. Brilliant mix of vintage typewriter and novel technology, Periboard 614 mini keyboard is born to be fun and chic. 12 advanced function keys 12 built-in function keys, media play / pause / forward / backward, volume adjustment, home, search, favorite, email, keyboard lock, my computer. Easy access to different work modes, increasing your work efficiency within one click. Ease 128 equips with Ease 128-bit, the most secure encryption standards for wireless connections. Simply enjoy the same data security level as the US government. Windows 7, 8, 10 or later USB port. Specification dimension, 320x148x30 connection, wireless 2.4 GHz with NAND receiver wireless range, 10 meters key switch type, membrane key press life cycle, 10 million times battery, 2 AAA battery. Batteries are not included in package. Keyboard type, wireless 2.4 GHz mini keyboard. Product information. Technical details collapse all. Other technical details brand Perixx. Item model number Periboard 614 US hardware platform PC. Operating system Windows 7 item weight 1.23 pounds. Product dimensions 6.02 x 13.9 x 1.57 inches. Item dimensions LXWXH 6.02 x 13.9 x 1.57 inches. Color black. Manufacturer Perixx Computer GmbH ASINB 079 DVKCHR Product features: I vintage round keycap design, I low voltage indicator. Product specification: dimension 320 x 148 x 30 mm, certification CE, FCC, weight 520 grams, key press life cycle 10, MIO number of keys 84 keys US, 85 keys to operating temperature -5 plus 45 degrees C, hub storage temperature -20 plus 60 degrees C, backlit electrical rating A per 1000 10 mA, connection type wireless, 2.4 GHz, operating voltage 3.0 VDC, operating distance up to 10 meters, transmission system requirement Win XP and above, material ABS key switch technology, membrane, advanced FN keys, 13 layouts US. DA is 128-bit, yes, color black.